Hello fellow technician. Today I'm going to be talking about the Vulkan Lokring 2 kit here. It's made by Sortimo. This is the tool that required to go to transition to the newest refrigerant R600A or R600, the flammable refrigerant that we're going to be using in the near futures. And Sortimo make this kit here as a startup kit. And this is the unboxing video of that. And this is a Vulkan Lokring 2 set here. So it comes in a nice toolbox. This thing is pretty heavy. Right now I have a lot of Lokring in it. So this thing weighs at least like a 10-15 pound. So let's open this up and see what comes in the box. It comes in Vulkan Lokring safety data sheet that it comes with here. Let me bring this up to you. And this tool comes with the tool itself, and it comes with a capillary tube cutter, come with a USB flash drive, which is the same data sheet but in digital form. And also it gives you several of these sponges, like sandpaper sponges. And of course you got the lot prep. It comes with one of those. You'll want to keep one extra on the side. And also the head for this tool here. So we're going to show and leave this tool down. And of course it comes with this thing called the caliber. So this is the digital caliber. And also it comes with one free battery, as you can see. Now let's put this tool on the side. Let's see what you have inside. Now it comes with these standard, the Lokring sizes. These are the dimension of the Lokring size, and then these are the part number to it. So I added a few to it already. So let's take a look how the Lokring looks like. So as you can see, there you go. See, these are all the Lokring that we're going to be using now instead of doing the solder now. Because we're working with highly flammable refrigerant now. So you're required to use a Lokring. So these are the tool and the sizes that you need. So to look at the basic setup is to remove this pin, put this head in there, okay, now push the rim back in here. So as you can see, you push this down, remove the pin, get this piece in here. Oops. Go. Make sure they're lined up. And then kaboom. And the proper way to hand holding this tool is you get your two index finger here and you go like this. See, these are the release button here. See? So they're meant to work with your index finger. So you want to hold them up and go like this. And this is how you normally want to operate this tool. So I'm going to do a little demonstration here with one of those simple Lokring and see what we got. So as you can see, normally you have the Lokring. You will hook up to two tube here, which is you gotta sand it down and clean the tube, slide both of them in, measure the diameter, make sure it matches the sizes here. Then you pour a little lot prep over here on two ends. And what you want to do is you want to take your tube. You see, remember what I say? Use your index finger, open this up to go this way. So, and then you will put the lock ring, or you connect it where it is. Then you bring it down. You see, now it's locked and secure. And all you have to do now, once it's in this location, you see, you open this the other way, and then you prime. See, and you repeat this, and then you repeat this, and as you can see, they start to close now on the head here, as you can see. Now here it is. When it's closed, do not apply any additional force, and then all you got to do now, press the release button over here, and then now you pull away. See? So let's get this out now. So now we'll connect the two tubes together. Then when you will pull a vacuum, then the sealing of the lock prep will start to settle in, and that's how it works with these newer style tools now. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, fellow technician. Have a good one.